1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon, obviously, if you like this video. And yeah, today's video is going to be about a lot of tops and t-shirts, mostly like really casual, cool, comfy sort of t-shirts and tops. So I got all of these pieces from Flipkart, and if you guys don't know, Flipkart gives you wide value across unbelievable variety, and also they have the widest range of collection because they keep on updating their newest trends, which is a great thing. And also the delivery is pretty fast. Okay, when I tell you it's fast, it's really fast. I received all of the pieces within 3 to 4 days, which is a great time for delivery. Also, they have no question asks return, so when you want to return, you can return it easily. There's no, it's like completely hassle free. Okay, so yeah, that's why we like Flipkart. So you guys should definitely check. All of the links are gonna be down below, and yeah, you can also check me out on my Instagram account. So let's just get started with a very beautiful red top that I'm wearing over here. I feel like Valentine's or Christmas tree or something like that, but no, this is a very cute, pretty top with this really amazing smock detailing over here that you see, which hugs up the body very beautifully. I got this one in my size medium, and it's absolutely fitting me really nicely, so you should definitely get your own size. This one is from the brand called Glamsy, something like that, and this one has 3/4 sleeves, as you can see, and it has a balloon sleeve like this, which looks very pretty. Obviously balloon sleeve, puff sleeves and all of that are so on trend right now, so we definitely love them. Whereas the material is concerned, this is crepe to chiffon sort of material that you see over here. This is almost in the like a synthetic crepe sort of style and not cotton for sure. And this one is for rupees 354, which is quite a good price because this sort of top specifically, I love this top for the neckline that it has. It has this sort of square neckline, and I always tell you the square neckline makes your like collarbone and neck area like pop up a lot. Next up, I have a tee which is going to be the smiley wala tee, which I got from Metronaut or something like that. I don't remember like what is the pronunciation. It's something like Metronaut brand, and this is how it looks like. This is a white color tee, sort of looks like a crop tee, but it's not like that. It is almost till your waistline, and you have this very cute smiley over here, a yellow color smiley in this pink sort of square box that you have. This tee is like really casual, comfy and nice, and the material is like 100% cotton, very soft material and amazing feel, like amazing touch and everything. I think so it has a yellow color option as well. I'm not very sure, you need to check it out. I got this one in my size medium, which is absolutely true to size, and this one was for rupees 307, as I told you.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need.
Let me show you a retro sunglasses that I got. I actually got this before also, but I broke that one, and this time when I was shopping, so I just thought let's just put it into the cart and let's get it, because this one is a staple, the trendiest piece going on right now, and I need it all the damn time, and black is something that goes with everything, so I just thought that I should repurchase this one. And this looks amazing. It is made up of polycarbonate material, and it is a really nice tight material. This will stay definitely for a really long time. If I don't purposely break it all by myself, it will definitely stay for a long time. And also the arms are like pretty broad. That is the fact that I love about it. The arms are so broad and so tight and everything. It just fits on the face so nicely. Like, come on, really. This comes in a lot of colors, like brown is there and red is there and then white is there, so you can get whatever you want. But these rectangular frame are so on trending, you should definitely have them. I got this one for $3.99 on Flipkart. Next piece, we have this really cute, amazing purple t-shirt that you see over here. This looks like a casual t-shirt, like a basic t-shirt, but this can be dressed up so nicely. Like you can put some really fancy pants or maybe a printed t-shirt or something like that on top of this one. That is what the thing is with solid color tees, that you can dress it up like so nicely. And this material is again cotton, very soft material, really nice material, and pretty thick, not seen through at all. So this one has this round neckline with this wide lining, which I like. Also the lining is over here in the sleeves as well, which gives a very nice definition and like very nice fit as well. This is a waistline length wala material, like length. So yeah, it does look a little bit baggier than usual. So this one is the size medium, which is my original size, but it looks a little bit loose because that's what the style of this t-shirt is actually. And you can get definitely your own size. I got this one for 275 rupees, which is a great price for this one because the material is very
It's been a long flight, stayed on a strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time.
It's very beautiful tie-dye sort of t-shirt, which is absolutely cute, from Juneberry. The brand name is Juneberry, and you have the space cat over here, and also the color combination is so beautiful. Like it's literally like rainbow, like somebody's playing Holi on my t-shirt like that. Like it is so pretty. I got this one in the size medium. It is absolutely true to size. It's not very loose wala style, but it's definitely like a more fitted sort of style. If you want to make it very loose or baggy, you can size up one size. It looks very cute. The material of this one is sort of synthetic polyester sort of material, like cotton plus synthetic sort of material, and you can see the stretchability is also really nice. This was for 430 rupees or something like that. Yeah, it is for 430 rupees, which is a great price because this is such a cute color.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes.
Next, I have this white tee again with a color block style over here. I love this color block style. Like you don't usually see this very often, but I love the color block. In fact, you have this white color over here, and then you have color option where you can get green blocks, and you can get peach color blocks or red color blocks, something like that. So those are the color options. This is again in the size medium. This is from the brand Metronaut again. Actually, most of them are from Metronaut, and I forgot to mention that about it. And this one is absolutely true to size again. I absolutely loved. You also have the color block at the back as well, and it's got a white part, and this is also not seen through at all. This one is again for 290 rupees or something like that, which is quite a good price because this is also pure cotton, which is a good price and like very breathable and nice.
Where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken.
And that is the end of this video. I got mostly very casual sort of tees because always I get like very dressier option of t-shirt and tops. So I thought that I should get something really common and casual that you can wear in a normal out day-to-day life. So yeah, all of these tops were about that, and all the links are gonna be down below. You know what you have to get, and you can check out the links, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself, take care of your family.